On the northern coast of South America, bordered by Brazil, Venezuela and Suriname, lies Guyana, a country the size of the United Kingdom but with a population just slightly larger than Glasgow. This country forms part of the Guyana Shield, a geological formation which supports the largest area of undisturbed rainforest in the world. In July this year, a team of young researchers from the University of Glasgow will be venturing deep into Guyana's rainforest to survey one of the least explored areas of the planet.
The Guyana expedition will be travelling to the Kanuku Mountains Protected Area, or KMPA, which is found in the southwest of the country. We will be travelling there for an entire day by vehicle and then continue on by boat and by foot. The pristine area of rainforest has over half of all Guyanese bird species and 70% of their mammal species. The KMPA is severely understudied, and so all the monitoring work that we will be doing there and surveying of baseline studies will help maintain its protected area status and promote the protection of its biodiversity.
During the expedition, the team is going to be surveying bats. The KMPA is a known hotspot for bats. In fact, 89 species have been identified already. We're going to be working alongside an experienced bat surveyor. We're going to be setting up triple height mist nets and seeing what we can find. We've been told we could expect to find about 60 bats a night, so there's going to be a lot of work to do, but hopefully we'll find a lot of different species and some variation in the different areas.
We're going to be surveying legless amphibians in waterways and streams and rivers using modified fish traps, and there's expected to be a really high diversity and it's a really understudied area, so we're eager to find out what's there. We'll be surveying frogs diurnally and nocturnally, deep in the rainforest and also along waterway systems.
So the amphibians we're surveying on the expedition will also be swabbing for chytrid fungus. Chytrid fungus causes the disease chytridiomycosis, which is wiping out amphibian populations worldwide. It's been identified over the border in Venezuela, but it's not yet been investigated in Guyana. Identifying if it's present or not is important for developing conservation programs in the KMPA.
We're going to set up some cameras around our camp to see some elusive mammals, and we know there's jaguars and giant otters and also sloths, which would be really awesome to see. So we're going to look at the insects and see what we can find. It's hardly been investigated in Guyana, and so you never know, we might have a new species, which would be really, really cool.
Whilst we're out there, we'll be collecting research on bats, mammals, amphibians and insects. We'll be working in collaboration with the Protected Areas Commission, which is a government body in charge of managing protected areas. We will also be working with local guides while we're there, and once we've collected our information, we will be sharing it with the Commission in the hope to help their conservation efforts.
The Guyana expedition is funded by research grants and donations from individuals. If you would like to contribute to this exciting project or just learn more about the research we'll be carrying out, please visit the expedition's website.